Next comes the connector port that looks like this. You'll see that it has 3 prongs on the bottom, and it'll fit into the 3 holes right here. To solder, you flip the board over and ensure that it is being pushed all the way down, so that way the PCB lies flush with the connector, and then liberally apply solder. I have found that sometimes it can be better to bend one of the pins, so that way it touches the pad, but liberal solder use also is a way to go about this. So apply some heat. Make sure that the solder is flowing nice and clean to ensure a nice connection. There you go. The dots that show up here you can clean up. So I'm going to reheat this, make sure that it all flows to just one pin. And there you go. And what I'll do is I'm going to make a third pass in order to ensure that it has properly flowed. There you go. It is important that you have no cold solder spots on this, so you want to make sure that all your solder is nice and hot. Sometimes it's worth upping the temperature to 400 degrees Celsius to make this a little bit easier. There you go.